Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. Delima Hasri Azahari. Today, I would like to present my paper entitled The Competitiveness of Indonesia Paper Export and its Challenge. The paper written by myself, Dr. Delima, and my colleague, Dr. Helena Purba, Professor Erwi Dodo, Valerina Darwis, Lance Dabuke, Juni Hestina, and Edi Yusuf. Paper is one of the Indonesia export commodity which contribute to export earning and job creation. Indonesia is the second largest paper producer countries after Vietnam with a total production of 85,000 tons and contribute to 50% of wood paper production. Most of Indonesia paper were produced by smallholders with some challenge including small-scale landholding, limited access to financial support and technology, and made the productivity considered still low of 600 kg per hectare. The study aims to analyze recent performance and the competitiveness of Indonesia paper, identify the challenge, and set the policy recommendation. The study used secondary data time series from 2009 to 2018, data source from the Trade Map, International Paper Community, Ministry of Agriculture, and from some relevant stakeholders. The analysis used reveal comparative advantage of or RCA and export product dynamic or EPD. If RCA larger than 1, the export commodity has comparative advantage or strong competitiveness, while if RCA less than 1 means no competitiveness. And for EPD analysis to show the position of its competitiveness in destination countries. Rising star, when share country export competitive and share of the product is dynamic. This is ideal condition. Falling star, share of export competitive while export commodity stagnant. Retreat, both share export and share of the product stagnant, and loss opportunity where share of export not competitive, but the share of the commodity is dynamic. Previous studies show that Indonesia paper export had competitiveness in at least 19 destination countries. Vietnam holds largest market share of 35%, while Indonesia holds share 13%. Even though paper planted area in Indonesia increased by 2.2% per year, but production and productivity growth in downturn of minus 0.39% and minus 2.90%. Price of both black and white paper in domestic market tend to increase, while in the international market tend to decrease. The result of the study using RCA analysis confirmed that Indonesia paper export has comparative advantage with the RCA larger than 1, both for paper beans and ground paper, while result of EPD analysis show for ground paper Indonesia in position of loss opportunity in USA market, mean share of the total export not competitive, the share of paper export is dynamic. While in Vietnam and Singapore, Indonesia position is falling star, means the share of the total export was competitive, but the share of the paper bean export was stagnant. For ground paper export from Indonesia to 3 main destination countries, they are in the position of falling star. As paper is still cultivated traditionally, the productivity is still low at 600 kg per hectare. Furthermore, some challenges faced by the Indonesia paper export, including on-farm such as mature plant and limited good agriculture practices, and off-farm, especially in harvesting and processing and food safety management, and facing also challenge of trade barriers. Export acceleration program supported by the Ministry of Trade, including digitalization of certification of origin, export permit certification, training for new exporter, warehouse reserve system, and product certification and cooperation, and increasing market access to the trade mission. Some effort also did by the Ministry of Industry, especially to improve small, medium enterprises to comply food safety management. In addition, Indonesia needs to accelerate the Indonesia-European Union Comprehensive Economic Partnership. In conclusion, Indonesia paper export have competitiveness in the international market. Indonesia position of growth opportunity in USA market and falling star in other main destination. It is important for Indonesia to focus its export for paper to USA market. This must also be supported by the increasing of value added of paper product. And it is important also for the government and all stakeholders to promote the uniqueness and advantage of the Indonesia paper through diplomatic cooperation and accelerated commitment in bilateral, regional, and multilateral fora. Thank you.